Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. We have got a strong cold front plowing east through the area. Easy to see it on this map right here. I don't even have to draw it in because you just have to look at the winds. Right there, as of 7 o'clock, it's basically sitting right where I've drawn it in. Strong south winds out ahead of it. They've been strong all night. You've likely heard them. They blew my darn trash can overnight last night. I had to go pick it up this morning. Northwest winds are pretty strong behind it. Now, one thing about these winds behind it, eventually the winds will be dying down later on as the day goes on. The winds will lighten up a little bit behind that cold front. That cold front plowing east through the Tri-Cities probably around 9, 10 o'clock, and then continuing eastward after that. So there's the noon hour. Now that cold front's going to be right about here. And showers and storms are going to try to start to fire up later this morning and into the afternoon. We've even seen some very isolated activity this morning, but we'll see it become more prevalent as we get into the afternoon hours. So areas in southern and eastern parts of the area, those are going to be the best areas, the best chance of rain and thunderstorms. If you live here to the west, you're probably not going to see any rain today during the daytime hours. Notice the winds dying down behind the front. Still very strong out ahead of it right here, the warm sector. And again, all this, the clash of the air masses, there's the showers and thunderstorms near the frontal boundary this afternoon. Severe weather is going to be a possibility this afternoon and early this evening. As we get further into the night, closer to dark and thereafter, the severe weather threat will start to come down. Notice there's still not much out towards the west. But later in the night, as that front stalls out just off to our south and southeast, we'll see moisture override the front, lifting northward, and we'll start to see more showers and isolated thunderstorms through the overnight hours into early on Wednesday morning. The showers and isolated thunderstorms are going to be sticking around on Wednesday. I do not expect severe weather, but with the clouds and the rain around, it's going to be a cool day on Wednesday. As we get later into the day and into Wednesday night, that front still down to our south here underneath my arrow, it's going to start to lift northward Wednesday night. As it does so, we're going to see more showers and isolated thunderstorms through the overnight hours. This takes us to about 1 o'clock in the morning. Now, technically, the front's still down here to our south, but we're seeing more moisture here that's going to continue to lift northward into Thursday morning. This is as far out as this forecast model goes. So this afternoon and early this evening, there is a chance of severe storms, a lower chance in the green shaded areas. Chances are greatest in the yellow shaded slight risk area here. Your biggest threat is going to be large hail up around quarter size hail, maybe a little larger, but mostly 1-inch diameter hail, and some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts are going to be possible. Those are your biggest threats. There is a very small chance of an isolated tornado. I don't think that's a big threat, though, with these storms that pop up this afternoon and early this evening. Can't be completely ruled out, but it's a lower end chance. The other thing we're going to have to watch for the next couple of days, while most of us will not see it, some localized flooding due to pockets of heavier rainfall, especially areas that get rain over and over in the same spots here. Most places are probably at most going to get an inch or two of rain, but there could be some spots that get a little bit more than that. Some may even get less than that here, depending on where you live. But again, watch for some localized heavy rainfall in a few locations. These are your temperatures today. High temperatures, 70s and 80s, much cooler than it has been. These areas have already started to fall behind the cold front and will rise back up into the 70s or near 80 in Imperial. Tri-Cities may actually peak late morning and then drop this afternoon. Some of these areas may actually peak early afternoon and then drop later in the afternoon. Tonight's lows, look at these cool temperatures tonight. 50s, low 60s to the southeast. And then look to the northwest, 40s and even upper 30s in Shadron. Okay, that's a little too cool maybe, but still refreshing air coming in behind that cold front. Tomorrow, a very cool day with the clouds and the showers around highs in the 60s, mid and upper 60s, and lower 70s for your Wednesday. Wednesday night, mid to upper 50s, low to mid 60s, a little milder. And then as we get into your Thursday, as that warm front lifts northward, now we're starting to warm back up into the 80s for much of the area for your day on Thursday. By the afternoon, the shower chances will start to move to our north. We'll see more sunshine return Thursday afternoon. Let's take a look at the extended forecast for the Tri-Cities first. And you can see that chance of rain and thunderstorms are really cranking up this afternoon and especially this evening. Our 80% chance comes tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now, there's still going to be some off and on chances tomorrow and into tomorrow night. Much cooler air right in here. Thursday morning, still some rain and thunderstorms around in the morning. By the afternoon, most of it's done, though, and we are going to start to warm back up into the mid-80s. As we look ahead to Friday, going to be a little warmer. Windier conditions are returning once again back up into the upper 80s, kind of comparable to yesterday. Tomorrow night, Friday night, a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. Slight chance will continue into Saturday. Still pretty warm Saturday, Sunday. Another small chance of thunderstorms Sunday night. Monday could be a little toastier here. We see a little more heat build in early next week, Monday and Tuesday. We'll keep those temperatures on the warm side. So really today and tomorrow below average, but after that we are right back to at or above average temperatures for most of the rest of that forecast period. Let's look at the North Platte forecast now. North Platte, you'll likely be dry today. Storm chances, rain and isolated thunderstorm chances coming tonight. No severe weather expected though. That chance continues Wednesday. I think your best chance though will be Wednesday night into Thursday morning right here. That 80% chance is right here during the nighttime hours. We'll keep that chance going Thursday. Most of it's going to be earlier in the day, a slight chance later in the day. After a cool day Wednesday, it's starting to warm up on Thursday, very much like the Tri-Cities area, and you'll get a little warmer yet Friday and into the weekend, upper 80s and lower 90s. A chance of rain and thunderstorms Friday night. Most of the weekend will be dry, a slight chance of showers and storms Sunday night. Monday, a little more heat building in here as we look at the extended forecast for North Platte. The heat building in Monday and Tuesday, and then coming down just a few degrees Wednesday and Thursday, but still above average for this time of the year. Well, with that, I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. Enjoy the relief from the heat for the next couple of days. I will see you all on Wednesday when we're going to see a very unsummer-like day out there for Wednesday. All right, take care, and God bless. Bye.